Yo, what's good, chat? How we doing? What up, Deefus? What up, Durf? What up, Fallen? What up, CQQ? What up, Mead? How we doing? What's good, chat? We're back at it again today. Vote in the poll on Twitch. If you're on YouTube, you want to participate in the poll, hop over to Twitch. Which operating system we want to start with? All right, tying it up does not help. If it ties, we'll just do a coin flip. Windows box. Hello, Pretzel. What up, Anton? Vote in the poll. Windows is winning. Windows. Okay. Chat, I don't got many Windows boxes left to do, bro. Windows. That's Linux. Windows. What? I don't use hair gel. Hello, Fede. Okay, looks like Windows 1. Looks like Windows 1. Okay. I feel like I did breach on VulnLab. I don't remember. Yo, have I given this cert? What do you mean given? I've taken it. I have it. It's a good cert. What shampoo do I use? Head and Shoulders shampoo. What kind of questions are these, bro? I pronounced your name good? Okay, that's good. What about lock? Chat, I don't have a whole lot of time today. Like, we gotta end promptly at 5. So I think we just do some easy boxes and we can cut it whenever we need to. Because I'm not trying to do an insane box that's gonna take all stream and I don't want to have to go over a little bit. What up, Spumch? How we doing? Let's just start with some easy ones. Maybe mediums. I don't know. We'll just, like, speedrun this shit. Federico. I see. Which, wait, what is that? What, nationality is that? Do old medium? We can after this. What is it called? Lock? We'll probably do a good amount of boxes today if we're only doing easy ones and mediums. But like the last couple streams, we've only been doing insanes and hards, so I think it's good to switch it up and do some easier ones. Getting P-Mux. Did I ever try to bug bounty? I've dabbled, but do craft? What's craft? Have I done craft? Machine craft. Medium Linux. Is this active? No, this is ancient. This is an old ass box. I got good reviews. We could do it. Oh, I don't want to look at that. We could do that after. I don't mind. Sure. We can do that after. What up, Neems? Argentinian. Gotcha. Adventure mode. We don't want no guided shit. Alright, start with that map. Got web open. Got SMB, RDP. Something on 3000. It's weird. Okay. PDF stuff. PDF protection. Advanced PDF editing and conversion tools. Sign PDF. Redact PDF. Okay, is there like a slash PDF endpoint? No. Oh, it's IIS. I wonder if it's short name. Is there no dash U? I guess not. It is vulnerable. There's Git. Okay, we have Git. That works. Just verifying. Git head doesn't show. Wait, is it literally just Git? No dot? Or maybe it's not publicly accessible. Maybe that's after we, compromise the box. Huh. May not be publicly accessible. Interesting. How's job going so far? Job's great. Job's great. Am I pro hacker by hack the box rank? No idea. We could try fuzzing this. Like F up. I'm using Rock U. Thoughts on Pentest Lab? I've like barely done it. I don't know. I can't really provide thoughts because I've never really done it that much. Let's do like ASPX, HTML, text. Oh, there's changelog. Right, I remember seeing that in the short scan. Changelog added first website version. There are different versions. Oh, there's also another port. It was 3000. RDP. 3000. Yeah, there's a 3001. Oh, it's Git T open. Okay. Well, that will make sense. Git T publicly accessible repo. There is. Dev scripts. Ellen Freeman. Update repos.py. Oh, there's 2 commits to this. Hold on. There's 2 commits. Update repos.py. Just update. Access token. There we go. Easy peasy. Git T access token. How do we use a Git T access token? I do not know how to use a Git T access token. We're gonna have to look that up. How to use Git T access token. Authorization token equals your access token for an API. Okay. Try get repositories. Repos. Wait, what if we just run the script? What does the script even do? Failed to. It just downloads the repositories. We can literally just run the script. I think that might be a good idea. Copy this. Actually, we want to copy the newer one. We want to copy the new one. Or the older one, technically. Yeah, so one we want. Copy? Does that copy the whole file? No, that just copies the name. Why is that? Why is there a copy button there? Alright, whatever. I'll just copy like this. It's kind of stupid. Okay, cool. File on 3, diggy.py. It's gonna want the git domain. We don't have a domain. We could add one for this. How's it doing it? It's just doing that, so we could probably just put this in here. SSL error. Fuck you. Is it using requests? .git is using requests. Okay. So we just modify that to say, what do we? I forget. Python requests ignore cert. It's on an endpoint that leaks user info, including their SHA-256 not salted hashes. All that with no password policy. I've seen very similar as well. Yep. Verify equals false. We want to add that to all these. Is there any more requests like that? Or no, is that it? Might be it. Might be it. What? Can I hit this? Maybe I should just open burp. I don't like curl this shit. Token is required. So we go -H. How does I want it set up? Authorization token access token. Get that access token. Okay, that works. Type in the JQ. Maybe I just do this manually. Script is kind of booty cheeks. Avatar, languages. Oh, there's a website. We want the website. Website.get. Yeah. We want that. We want that. We want to get you a website. Man, I really wish this, let me just vibe fix this real quick. Fix my shit. Oh, this is on HTTP. Oh, I'm an actual goober. Does it not? Oh, it doesn't append it. It just asks if it starts with. I didn't even read that correctly. There we go. Did it download? Does it not download it? It doesn't download the repo. All right. Well, this script is useless. We already figured that out. I thought it was like gonna use one of these, but it just. All right. Should have figured. Blah, 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 blah. All right. We needed how to download the repo. Just use curl. Oh wow, we can really just do that. Owner repo. Do I need to use the API? Really? I don't even use the API. Username, you get. All right, let's use git clone. Username is what? Ella Freeman? Ellen Freeman. Get T token. Here. Owner, Ellen Freeman. Repo, website. Cool beans. Easy peasy. All right, what do we got? Let's do a git log first. We got multiple commits as well here. Maybe we just read the website. Like, what do we actually have in here? Do we have anything useful? Is there any like back-end code? Or is it all front end? It's all front end. Wow, this is useless. Okay, maybe there's something in the previous logs. Git show this one. Okay, looks like there's nothing here. Kind of useless. Okay, fuck it. Next one. Show this one. CI/CD integration is now active. Changes to the repo will automatically be deployed to the web server. Oh! So do we need to write data to the website repo and it'll push to the website? Probably. What's this update? Nothing. What is this update? That's the one I just did. Great job, Pebble. Okay. Alright, so I think what they're hinting at here is CI/CD integration is now active. Changes to the repository will be automatically deployed to the web server. So we want to like upload an ASPX file, I assume. Okay. 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 How to branch? Can I just? Nah. How to push do after cloning? How to make and edit and push using this API token. It's probably just the same, isn't it? Git add, git commit. Okay, we'll see if this works. I don't know if it will though, because I think we're still gonna need that, use that token. So let's just yeah, let's just make a shell.aspx. Let's like look up an ASPX web shell like that. This is fine, I guess. I don't really like this, whatever. My IP. $44. Okay. Oh, wants us to use like. Yeah, this shit sucks. I'm not gonna do all that. What is ASPX shell? This is a sketchy ass website. I'm not doing that. Let me just like the ANTAP one. What? Is this a hack the box box? Is it? No, it's VulnLab, but merged to hack the box. So yes and no. This one's pretty good. This one's pretty good. I can just use this. Alright, so then we just do a git add git push message dookie. What is it? Git commit. Git push. Okay. Easy enough. Well, has that been updated on the website? Indeed it has. Easy peasy. Let's fucking go, chat. Easy box. Well, it is an easy box, but like, we're cruising through it. I didn't even set, I just use the default creds for this. Don't do this on a real assessment. Disclaimer. Legit use only. Easy peasy. Okay. Got a silly looking shell. Sure. Let's actually get a rev shell here. User share web shells usually offers something useful. Whatever. Whatever. I'm fine with this. And I just pop over here. We're on 44. This one's good. This should work just fine. Yep. Nope. Alrighty. Who am I? Adjust memory quotas for a process. I've never seen that before. Just generate audit security audits. And then Freeman. SC audit privilege? Is that a thing? SE audit, SE audit. I'm not seeing SE audit here. Nor am I seeing like increase quota. Yeah, I've never seen this before. They could be, they could be. Let's take a look at just some. Why am I here? Go to users. Gale. Alright, we have config and documents. We also have an SSH key. Oh, there's a lot of shit. There's a lot of shit to do. Alright, well, let's get going. Let's go to the documents first. Config.xml. I can't read this. It's some encoded password. I can't read this. Give me like a... Can I do this? To like XML lint. Wow, this is just... Okay, this is great. Dude, it's still ass to read because it's so big in just one chunk. Alright, whatever. Fine. Is this base 64 encoded? Remote NG Gale. Is this encrypted somehow? Or is it just encoded? Engaged is encrypted. Is there the decryption key in here? Or am I gonna have to use like dpoppy or something? Might need to use dpoppy. On an easy box though? I wouldn't expect to like actually manually decrypt with dpoppy on an easy box. What is this? This is remote ng decrypt. Look that up. Remote ng decrypt config files. What does it need? Need some shit. What's this one? What's this one? What do we got? What do we got? That's exactly what we look like. And okay. Okay. So we can just use this. Fine. In theory. What do we want? String. Alright, let's paste that string into here. Bang. Alright, cool, cool, cool. Who is this? Gale Decarios. I don't even know what IP is. Oh, SMB's not open, is it? Wait, no, it is. It's open. Yeah. Shit's open. The fuck? Oh, there we go. It just took ages. Alright, that's valid. Oh, what? User, Gale. What groups is he a part of? Remote desktop. Alright, we can RDP. Cool. Just to verify, RDP. Cool, 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 cool. As you RDP with Remina, you will see a strange looking file. Alright, ban this guy. I will not be using Remina, and I do not need to... Okay. Can we time this guy out, please? Thank you very much. Alright, no spoils. I was literally saying exactly what to do. Like, give me a minute, bro. Holy. I'm gonna get there in literally 30 seconds. Alright, there's user flag. Sweet. Definitely easy. Easy's fair. For sure. I mean, that literally didn't even take us a half hour. Why am I back on guided? The fuck? Okay. I could get a rev shell. I might want to just get a rev shell. I hate working through RDP. It's just slow. Let me get another rev shell. It's just slow. It's just slow. That's all it is. It's slow. I don't mess with it. What does this guy have? There's my like show history file. History. Ah, it's just that. Okay, that checks out. Hoax shell, man. What are you talking about, hoax shell? Why would I need hoax shell? What's wrong with this, dude? Why am I doing Linux commands? I'm tweaking out. I didn't even check this system. We got git t. Maybe this guy is also on git t. Who knows? Should check. Just in case. It's always good practice. Scale. You used to WinRM. WinRM's not open on this. Oh, even if it is, he doesn't have access to. He only has remote desktop. It's a way better Windows shell. Okay, this guy's not on git t. This is probably a bad idea. It actually wasn't that big. What do we got? Anything? Anything? I didn't do who am I / priv. Should have done that. There is some Depopy stuff. Oh shit, we might need to do Depopy stuff. Fuck. Jailson Dev Jr. Thanks for the follow. I'm gonna run WinPs at this point. Let me go like, who am I? Yeah, let's get WinPs on here. You're still downloading? Jeez. Wait for that to finish up. Yeah, how's y'all's weekend going? Happy holidays and shit. Is hoax shell like mad easy to set up? I've seen this many times. I don't know if I've ever cared to use it though. It's got colors. Okay. It's got pretty colors. I don't know what would make this any better than just a netcat listener, in my opinion. Can you also say aloud your thinking? Would love to learn at the same time. I am. Right now we're just looking through WinPeas to see if there's anything of interest. There's Depopy stuff. I've said that before. We might need to check out Depopy. It does bypass AV sometimes. Same with any most PowerShell rev shells that I have. I can get that to work. I mean, it's just all preference. I just use what's quickest for me. Anything locally running? Doesn't look like it. Oh, wait, 8,000. What's 8,000? You want to look into that. 8,000. We'll check that out. Nothing. Alright, what I want to go for is Depopy and what did I just find? Found something. I completely forgot. Oh, 8,000. Wait, hold up. I can this does make using a GUI kind of nice. Hold on. I to extract browser creds. He doesn't have any browser creds. Not that I saw. Wait, what the fuck is this? Fax out PDF 24. Printer name. Wait, maybe he does. Localhost 8,000. Receive non-post request. Okay, so there's something going on here. He also got SSH keys, which makes it easy to port forward. We need to do that. Curl this -x post. I need like curl.exe. Must have a content length. What is this like API thing? Outpost -d or -data. Some blank shit. Receive post request, but the repository or user does not match the criteria. The fuck is this weird ass shit? Packet engineer, thanks for the follow. Was this open? Oh, is this open as well? PDF assistant. Oh no, I know this is a Prevesc. I know this is a Prevesc. I know this is a local Prevesc. I've seen this before. This is a local Prevesc system. PDF 24 system. Local privilege escalation. Yeah, I've seen this before. An entire GUI access to a system where PDF 24 creator is installed via MSI. Yeah. POC. We run this shit. Easy peasy. So, a tip for testing a contact form. You literally anything. I mean, it's web. You could get theoretically almost any web vulnerability through that. Most likely like cross-site scripting though. That's probably like most likely, but in theory you could get anything. Probably not like file read, but like obviously, you know, use your brain. What up to Facho? Path to installer file. Where's that at? Probably like program files, PDF. Where's the installer file? Let's just search for this. Is it the right version? 11.14.0. 11.14.0. 11.15.1. Okay. Vulnerable. Yeah, less than equal to. All right, so we're definitely vulnerable. 11.15.1. So you want to do like a get UCI dash force dash recurse dash filter. We want to go this. Change this to 11.15.1. I spelled recurse wrong. Hello, Haxerbyte. I am doing well, thank you. How are you doing? How do I ignore errors on Windows? I can't, like, redirect it to dev null. Ignore access denied errors. PowerShell. How do I do that? Silently continue. Weird ass shit. Alright, I'm trying to find the Semicide file. Hopefully the naming scheme is the same between the versions. Likely it is. Good day for hacking. It is a very good day for hacking. I mean, I literally could use Explorer. I forgot we have a GUI access. We could literally use Explorer to find this. PDF creator. No, PDF 24. What's the name of it? There it is. It's under C install. Why did I not see that earlier? Oh, it's a hidden directory. Okay, that'll do it. There we are. Okay. So we want to do this. What is this article saying? Under the repair process, the sub-process gets called a system and performs a write action on the file. This, which can be used by simply setting an OpLock on OpLock, hence the name of the box, on the file as soon as it gets read. So OpLock is set the CMD window that gets opened when then close your target form. Okay, let's just go step by step here. Repair process. Do not close applications. I assume. We'll see. I don't know how long it's gonna take. We'll see. Stupid sheep. The scuba. What was that guy talking about? Setup lock? Oh, there is. It's not a strange looking file. That guy was tweaking off the per dirties in chat. But he wasn't wrong. 11 minutes? Okay, we're good. Jeez. Wait, I need to set the lock first, don't I? Shit. Yeah, nothing's happening because I didn't set the lock. Alright, I gotta do this first. I can get it from here, apparently. Set OpLock. Oh, we're not compiled. Hopefully it's compiled in here. Move, home, downloads, release. Here. CVX. Yeah, we're compiled. Alright, cool. Move this. Dub. Let's download that. Cool. Do I need to open another? Why can't I just go home? There we go. Alright, set up lock. Set OpLock. Okay, so that is set the lock on that file. And then we need to trigger it again. Whoops. That's not gonna work. Head into install. Run this. Trigger that. Install. Repair. So then it runs a system. And it'll get hung by OpLock. Did we get a new window spawned yet? Doesn't look like it. OpLock's still going. Repair. Unable to close through processing applications. Oh, I have to close this first, maybe. Shit. Cyberpunk, what the fuck? Thank you. OpLocks. Let me get a better explanation of this. Opportunistic locks. File system mechanism boosts network performance by letting client cache file data locally on the server. Okay. Let me get a better understanding of how this can be exploited, though. Oh! There we go. We popped it. Awesome sauce. Properties? Legacy something link? New legacy mode? Legacy console mode? Other than Internet Explorer or Edge. Okay, so Firefox. Press Control O, then cmd.exe. There we go, we're here. No, I don't want to save that. It just opens this, so I can spawn it like here. I can go PowerShell even. Newer system. Cool box. Alright, I need to understand OpLock more, though. Alright, this is not helping. Look at the flag first. Hello, Pebble. I'm your fan from Uzbekistan. Well, hello. Welcome in. Oh, this one. Ah, cool, cool. Let's spin the next box up while we're waiting. While we're researching. I want to understand this better. Locking. This is on WikiLeaks. Opportunistic locking. A file locking mechanism designed to improve performance by controlling the caching of network files by the client. Unlike traditional locks, OpLocks are not used to provide mutual exclusion. The main goal is to provide synchronization for caching. Example vulnerability. Time of check. Time of use. Right, we've included that before. In a race condition. I think what was the box called? It was literally called race. That was a good box. And a COM object to escape Internet Explorer sandbox. In Sandbox Internet Explorer process, you are allowed to create a COM broker to the medium integrity process. Once you have the broker, you are allowed to obtain some of the classes implemented by Internet Explorer Frame. This includes implementation of whatever the hell that is. One of the functions, titled edit with, lets you pass a file in a class registry handle to call shell execute on. Justificate, since you're only allowed to execute certain Microsoft processes, the target object is validated. However, between validation and execution of the implementation takes time to verify that the file you pass exists. Thus, create an opportunistic lock on a file or folder that the medium integrity process tries to access. In between validation and execution, we can swap out the execution values to one of our own. Interesting. Can you explain this as you were in a podcast? What? Okay, so I guess what's happening here... I wish there was a better explanation on this specific one. So what happens is this MSI runs a system. The installer runs the system. It tries to write to this file. But we have an opportunistic lock on that file. To give us time to interact with the process that is spawned. And we can... for example, one of the options was opening a Firefox instance, which we can use to spawn anything. I think I get it. That is very cool. Yeah, the command window that gets opened doesn't close. Yeah. Yep. And it's very similar to like a Citrix escape or something after here. All right, cool box. Next one. Craft. We can close all these out. A good easy box. Definitely easy, but good. How do you even discover that? Like, I would imagine if like you get a flash of a window popping up that instantly closes, but I feel like it would be so fast that it wouldn't even really spawn. Huh. Definitely interesting. Hello, Pebble. Hello, Daniel. How are you? We got lots of windows open. My goodness. Procmon, I guess. Yeah. That's probably the best way of doing it. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, Procmon for sure. You would just, well, yeah, it would still say open in Procmon. You'd see it being spawned. For sure. What would it look like? Maybe we should have delved into that more. I don't know. I feel like now I closed it. Maybe we should open that in Procmon and see like exactly how that could be discovered. Anyways, craft. Medium Linux. Back to the reviews. Have I ever done AS rec roast in a pen test engagement? I mean, AS rep? What is AS rec roast? You mean as rep roasting, not AS rec roasting. As rec roast. Hold on, this is the thing? Is this... What is this? Oh, this is using the... This is using a... This is using the as rep to do a curb roast. What is this? Oh no, this is the ARP spoofing one. Hold on, this is the ARP spoofing one. Yeah. No, we don't. We could do this. We don't, because our poisoning is so fucking network destructive. You're gonna nuke the client's network if you do this. It's just gonna be incredibly bad. I mean, we get domain admin within the first day every time anyway, so there's no reason to do this. It is a crazy attack, yeah. Yeah, there's just ARP spoofing, ARP poisoning. It's not gonna be kind on the client's network for sure. That's why we don't do it. I'm sure like if I was extremely desperate, maybe I would, but I never need to. So I mean, I don't even try it. I mean, and what is even the mitigation against this? I don't even know. I guess just ARP poisoning protections. This is a nutty attack for sure. I know people that have done this and had a lot of success with this. No mitigation? Yeah, it's like, why even, like, it's like I can't even provide recommendations for this. And if I do it, it's just gonna nuke their network. So it's like, why even try this? Why even put it on the report? On the first few streams you did, you added the names of the boxes to the title of YouTube VOD. Is it too much to ask? If you start doing that again, it would probably boost your visibility too. Would you guys want that? I could do it. It just takes like an extra couple minutes of my time. I could do it. No problem. I got you, Defus. Yeah, this is an absolute This is disgusting. This is a disgusting attack for sure. All right, whoa. Let's get in that, bro. All right, we have web open again. Craft. I got you. Yeah, I guess I would make it easy. GOGS and API. GOGS and API. I already see these two subdomains here. Let's go and add those. What's this machine? It's called Craft. God, White Rabbit was fucking crazy. It was a good box, though. Some parts I wasn't a huge fan of, but overall, I mean, it was just good. Craft.hackthebox. API.craft.hackthebox. And I see gogs dot craft dot flex. Gogs is like git t, right? Am I thinking of that correctly? Yeah, it's git service. Yeah, it's like git t. Craft needs to be the largest. Let's do vhost just in case as well. And in case there's anything more here. Ehost, can't type, buzz dot, what is craft dot buzz? Filter by size, bada bing, bada boom. API hasn't come up yet? Really? Where's API in that list? That's surprising. Am I doing this wrong? I would assume Gogs would be pretty deep in there, if anything. Hold on. Rep was a dash N for the line number. API. Where's API at? Literally 40. Okay, I'm doing something wrong. Craft? API.craft. What? Wait, what am I doing wrong here? There's a 404. That's fine. Do I need to do dash K? Huh? HTTPS, correct stuff in FO syntax. I'm confused. Why is it not showing? Do I need to domain URL? No, it's vhost. What? What is there? Do I need like ignore the SSL store? I thought it does that by default. Maybe not. Oops. That shit didn't show up to you as well? Why though? That would make no sense. Yeah, dash K isn't even an option on FF. Sometimes just passing it through burp I've seen fixes stuff. Really weird though. Sometimes I've literally seen just passing it through burp will fix it. No idea why. Well, I want to try that. Proxy the request to burp and see. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Literally just passing it through burp though will just randomly fix it sometimes. Crazy shit. Sure. Yeah, we're definitely gonna see the request, but like. Okay. Okay. What is it? Dash lowercase x, I think? Proxy? I mean, it's doing it. It's definitely doing it. API. .craft act. No, I don't want host API craft act. There. It gives a no, it worked. It just gives a 404. Am I not matching? Oh, I'm not matching 404s. I'm an actual simpleton. Okay, that'll do it. Match code 404. I need to put all these in here. Add 404 to this. There we go. I'm a simpleton. I was just blind. Vault. Vault as well. Is GOGS in this? GOGS is in here. Okay, it's just 40,000 deep. Cool. Alright. Let's check out Vault as well. I don't even think was that a reference in here? Vault. No, it's not even a reference in here. Okay. Vault.craft.hackbox. Hello, what are we doing? We are doing Hack the Box. We're doing craft on Hack the Box. Alright, what does Vault look like? Get GOGS open. Let's get this API open. What? Let's get Vault open. What? Page not found. Really, dude? What's wrong with this? I can't ignore this on Firefox. Ugh. Work on Chrome. Yeah, it works on Chrome. Okay, cool. There's really nothing there. You need to fuzz it, though. Whole lot of fuzzing. There's GOGS. Okay. V1. Oh, of course, because it's an API. Brilliant. Or Vault. Well, we didn't know that was an API. Never mind. Vault. V1. Move permanently. Follow redirection. Errors. Fuck you. Nginx. I post. We need a fuzz V1. Alright, let's actually check. Maybe there's some documentation in like a repo or something. There literally is. Wow! Wow. Probably should have just done that first. Alright, we got some users as well. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, what's this repo? Craft API. 6 commits, 1 issue. Bogus ABV value. What the hell does that mean? Okay, it leaks a token. Love that. Is it possible to add bogus ABV values to a database? I don't even know what an ABV value is. Alcohol by volume. Is that... What? Brewer. Oh, this is it. This is it. It actually is it. Y'all know I don't drink. That's why I don't know that. Fixes live seems to be working. Eval. Lovely, lovely, lovely. We're just throwing eval in our fucking code here. Great job, guys. All right. Well, this is fairly easy. Damn, Pebble drank too much. What the fuck? Wait, what the fuck? Why that failing? Let me proxy this shit. Am I still proxying? To everything? Oh, fuck, I am. Surely there's no more subdomains, right? Surely we can call it there. Whoops. I can close this as well. We already have, like, a... I don't know, maybe we do need to keep that going. Let's do a dash recursion. Let's just keep it here. That'll cook. Dash proxy to burp sweep. Let me clear all of this out. Goodbye. Okay, no, that is actually what it says. Oh, it's because there's... That shouldn't be there. There we go. Invalid token or no token found. Fuck. This token's not valid? It's a JWT. Why do I have JWT editor? Install that shit. Can I explain the question, please? There's no question. Do you have a question? I'm confused. JSON web token. Could you like a none? Nope. Embedded JWK. Bug it. Sign with empty key. Fug it. Maybe there was a weak HVAC secret. Very possible. This was it, right? I think so. Let me just copy this in case. Let's try and crack it. God. It'd be rocky, right? It was intended to crack. We'll see if that pops. What's the speed on this? Oh, instant. Didn't crack though. Sag. I won't drink. I won't. I'm fairly clean when it comes to substances. I mean, I just don't see the point. That only works for HS256, right? What, cracking it? I don't know. I thought it works for all, but maybe not. Maidif, thanks for the follow. So match code all is preferred. It depends. It depends on how like the actual server's handling it. Yeah, I guess. I guess. Match code all and then just filter by the default size is probably the way to go. Guaranteed it. Yeah, probably. Yeah. Generally get redirects. But yeah. We got a 4.4 there. It's one of the first times I've seen that. Oh, let's look at a version down here. Could be vulnerable. Something. What is this? This is... Oh, we should probably read the code, too, of the API. Maybe they leak... Maybe they leak the fucking... Hold on. Maybe they leak the actual API signing key in here. Or the JSON key. Let me look at all the commits here. Add authentication to brew modify endpoints. Auth required. Okay, fine. It might just be in environment variables. Settings.craft API secret. Craft API login. Filter username password. Okay, so we can log in to get a token. Ads weren't done on Twitch, nah. I don't know how long they last on YouTube. Slash check. Checks the validity of an authorization token. Login. Creates an authentication token, provided valid username and password. Verify the token before decoding it. What is secret? Secret is settings.craft API secret. Settings. What is settings? So we know Brew is vulnerable to command injection once we can get there. Maybe I should just clone this and just like open in VS Code to read it better. What monitors do I use? Asus monitors. If that helps. No idea. Let's open all these. HTB connection test script. I have no idea the size. Oh, we got a fucking password. Nice. We get credits. We get credits. All right, let's hit this a login. Hit the login on the API. Bam. Inesh. Bam. What does it want for like username password? Oh, it's basic auth. It's basic auth. I forgot. Shit. How do I do basic auth? I literally forgot to do basic auth. What is the header? It's www authenticate something. That's literally it. Okay, cool. Is that it? And it's basics form coded. Take this. And then you take this. You basics form code it. That's generally how that works. I don't even know if I need to put the realm in there too. Authentication failed. Wait, do I not need to do line? Oh, something's happening. Oops. It's taking a minute. Oh, wait, what the fuck? Oh. I was just... didn't format it right. Oh, failed. Why is that failing? Authorization basic? I literally... Okay. We should probably just look this up instead of being stupid. Basic auth HTTP. Authorization basic and then the value. Okay. Jeez. What? Alright, I'm literally just gonna execute this with Python. Let's literally just run this. Did I have a typo? Whatever. Gen key dot I. Gen token would be better. Whatever. And then literally print token. There it is. typo in header name? What did I set it to? I spelled authorization wrong. Looks like I still failing. I might be just an idiot. No, that would have done it. Okay, whatever. I did spell it wrong. Okay, now we can use this. Cool. And apparently, I just took a guess. I don't even know if it is vulnerable to command injection. I just saw eval and I was like, okay, this is just OS and command injection. Where is that at though? Latest commit? No. It's one of these. Here it is. ABV value. If eval ABV is less than 1. Okay, we need to make that less than 1. Oh, it's an eval in here. Okay. So we can do how we want to inject into here. Import, I forget what it is. Dunder, import OS, Python command injection. Injection of Python. Can I get like a POC here? Brother. Where is it? This is it. This is what I wanted, I think. Does this work? Maybe blind. Curl 10, 10, 14, 44. Hey. Do I have that working? No, that still doesn't work. Really? That didn't work? Where's the... Here it is. Let's run this. Let me put this in double quotes. I know it probably doesn't matter there. Oh, wait, did that fail? Wait, what? Python 3. Let's pull this stuff out. Eval is greater than or less than 1. I can probably just do this. Whoops. Okay. And that works. So what's wrong? Huh? Wait, what's wrong here then? This is commit C4. Has that been overwritten? Maybe it has. I don't know. Why'd that just fail? Huh? Hold on. This is in craft API. API. Brew. Brew.py. That's still in there. Why does that not work? What? I'm so confused. That's working. Would curl not be installed? That would make any sense. Maybe ping? That's just ridiculous. What are we wrong here? Wait, there's no world ping not on there. Nah, it's not working, dude. It ain't working. Oh, invalid token. Oh, token expired. That'll do it. I just was blind, I guess. There we go. Now it's sleeping. Golly, dude. I should have just read. Why does a token expire that quickly, though? That's ridiculous. That is absolutely ridiculous. Now if I go back to this, we'll get pings here, right? There's the pings. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Alright, that's never gonna stop. GG. Alright, let's get a shell. Go busy. Bye. Can't type. Netcat. M10 14 44 443 SH. Cool. It's not even a reset script, it's just the token expired. That has nothing to do with a reset script. Kind of silly. The fuck? Why did that not work? Wait, bash isn't on here? There's no bash! What? Wild. No bash. It's been SH. Damn. Wait. Oh wait, we're on a We're on a container. We are on a container. Holy ridiculously looking shell. Alright, we gotta figure out how to. Okay, we're good. Alright. Jeez. Stevie test. Yeah, that's that. Sure, looked at that. Oh, we should dump creds. SSH is open as well. Right? SSH is open? Yeah. Yeah, we're dumping creds from the database. And then we're trying to go for reuse. That's definitely what we're gonna do. I don't know. They probably do still have revert scripts for the old ones. I don't know. Probably have revert scripts for all of them. I don't know. I don't see revert scripts for them away. What is that stabilized binary? It is a alias. It's just an alias to this. Use alias to. Okay, database creds. Sweet. Here's the API secret. Yeah, that's never gonna crack. MySQL installed, please. Ah! We gotta pour forward. Wait, what is running MySQL? Wait, what? Is MySQL running? Maybe on that weird port? I don't know. What is this? It's only here? And app. PyMySQL. What is PyMySQL? PyMySQL. Wait, DB test. PyMySQL connect. Select yada yada yada. PyMySQL. Wait, this is just a library to connect to MySQL. Yeah, that checks out. Right? What is the port? Is it not even on a SQL Alchemy database URI? SQL Alchemy? Never mind. Whatever. Let's just do this with fucking Python. Why not? Okay. What do we want? We want to select all from users, right? That's the data, the table we want. Users. Auth does user query filter. Craft API database models. Craft API database models. It's just called user. I should be able to select all from user. Try this out. I just, test.py. Alright, well, looks like I'm doing it here. Am I hosting this? Not hosting anything. Perl's installed, right? No. wget? Yeah, we got wget. Alright, dope. Oh, there's only one user. Fuck. Wait, we have to do a Docker escape. Alright, never mind. Fuck. Maybe there's something on... I didn't even really enumerate this a whole lot. Yeah, there's only one user? Wait, maybe the database runs at, like... I don't know. Let me enumerate the file system first. It's just... wait, is there really nothing in here much? I should get like WinPeas and fucking DeepCE on here. Setting.py. This. Why is this? Right, because this has the environment variables. I'm not getting all rows from the SQL script? What do you mean? Yes, I am. How would I not? Maybe these creds are reused for SSH. There's a bunch of users as well. So train the first row only because there's only one row. That's not the password. I mean, we could. There's a bunch of users. We can assume their usernames from here. There's also that vault thing. God, there's so much. We haven't even checked out this. Oh, wow, this is actually complete API docs I didn't even read. That would have helped. Didn't need it, though. That would have helped. It's returning the first row only, because there's only one row. I didn't do limit one. See the pie, maybe it drops others. Cursor.fetch1? Oh. Is this it? Oh. Fuck. Is fetch all a real thing? Yes, it is. Alright, well, I screwed up. There we go. I mean, the SQL query was fine. It was the Python that was not returning. It was the Python script that wasn't returning though. Not the actual SQL. Alright, this guy's dead. What about this guy? That's dead as well? What? Huh? All these guys are dead? No way. None of these work? There was that other, SSH on 6022. Did that change anything? It's so weird. Oh, I get public key denied. Yeah. What the hell? Wow, none of them work. Fuck. Maybe there's more tables. No, there wouldn't be, though. Let's try it. Let me keep this up, actually. Where's my Python server? There it is. Grab that. On that. There's brew and user. Brew's not gonna have anything. Wait, brew and user. I did users. Did I do users or user? I did user, okay. Maybe brew. We explore more on web and GOGs. Oh, fuck. These could be used for GOGs. Jeez, that'd be crazy. Ebok man. Deep sea. I was thinking that. Yeah, we got creds for this guy now. Alright, what do you have? Craft infra. There we go. Jeez. Civil fault you are. Let me close out the rest of this. Set up vault secrets backend. Yes, this is the vault subdomain we found. Interesting. What on earth is this? SSH keys, maybe? Oh. This is a straight SSH key in here. Wait, is this Goober's actual SSH key? No, it's not formatted because of raw. There we go. Oh, I need to sign in shit. There you go, that's formatted. Teach mod 600 IDRSA, SSH. What was this guy's name? Gilfoy, I don't even know how to pronounce that. -I IDRSA. And it's password protected, of course. SSH to John, is it? Yeah. Into key.hash John key.hash word list equals either share wordless rock you. Surely this cracks. Surely. Docker files, useless. Craft.sql, craft brew schema, craft user schema. Interesting. So these are like connected. Nginx config. It doesn't seem to be cracking. Git vhost, API vhost, Vault vhost. Checks out. I forget what I have, bro. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. They wouldn't do that to me. They wouldn't do that to me. Okay, they would do that to me. That's ridiculous. They would. I guess they would do that to me. Why am I not in Bash? I am in Bash. It looks stupid. There's no colors. I'm fucked. Damn, they really did that to me. Alright, cool box so far. Is it a medium? What was the hardest part about that? I don't know. The hardest part was fucking reading my Python script and not even realizing it was only fetching the first result. I'd say, I don't know. It's either a 4 or 5. Blatant command injection. It's a 4. It's a 4. It's a 4. I mean, if you literally understand anything about APIs beforehand, this is a 4. Took some steps. It took a lot of steps, but every step was very easy. It's a bit of figuring out. Yeah, you gotta connect the dots. I mean, I'm giving that a 4, at least. What is vault token? Okay, some token. Hopefully we don't need that, but I bet we do. Okay, what do we got? Pseudos not found. Lovely. Is this the only user on here? I can't up arrow. This is the worst SSH shell I've ever seen. Yes, this is... Wait, what? Where am I? Do I not exist? Am I blind? I do not exist. How? How do I not exist? Oh, I'm at the bottom here. Okay, I do exist. Last entry. Yeah, I thought that was part of the SSH. The bash stuff. Alright. Alright, so it's probably got to do something with this vault key, doesn't it? Why did I do A and O? I'm not on fucking Windows. We gotta interact with the vault. I'm guessing we gotta interact with the vault. Suspected them. Hey, I didn't see that we existed. I was so confused on how that was possible. Vault token. Vault token, vault token. Alright, let's read this vault repo, I guess. Craft infra. No, this isn't even a vault repo, it's just infra. Vault. Add script to enable secrets backend. Enable SSH. Set up vault secrets backend. One-time password root. SSH roles root OTP. It's on a Docker thingamajiggy / vault. That doesn't exist, does it? There's no / vault on here. So it's in a separate container, I assume. Another container on 8200. What? There's something on 6022. No, it's SSH again. There was also that SSH on 60 that only accepted a private key. So we could try that. This guy. -I IDRSA -P 6022. What's this passphrase again? This. Hello? I'm frozen. Okay, did that work? Are we in? What is this weird ass SSH, bro? Golang crypto SSH server. GG. What are we solving? We're doing a box on Hack the Box called Craft. So is Vault like an actual thing? Okay, so Vault is a real thing. Grid Vault user group. So certificate-based tools in Vault. Vault GPG key. Oh, slash Vault has logs. There's audit logs. 8200 is primary interface application to interact with. Okay. We can access it through the subdomain though. Rumbero, thanks for the follow. A question, a less bookmark. I have no idea what this is. Should I even click it? Oh, why is it real2.hackthebox? Hold on. What is that? I don't even know what that is. Unable to connect. It just redirects me to real2. Oh, you know what? It's because it's in German. Martin, the creator of this box, is German. I must have accidentally bookmarked this page and it made it German. I don't know. Wait, did Martin? No, Martin didn't make Real2. Who made Real2? Wait, did Martin make that? No, he didn't. Did he? I don't think so. Who made Real2? I don't remember. It's a normal struggle with easy Linux machine, but comfortable solving medium hard AD machines. Is it normal? I don't know. I do not know if it's normal or not. It's Swedish? Okay. I literally have no idea. And it was from a previous box. Alright, we need to fucking understand Vault. What is Vault? Linux. Is it a HashiCorp thing? HashiCorp Vault? I know a guy who's the HashiCorp Vault god. Need to get him on this box. Well, for a centralized, well-audited, privileged access and secret management for mission-critical data. Okay, sure. What do we want out of this? You've disabled the UI. All right, so we only have that. Where's Vault open? Here's Vault. Oh, we have a something cooking on that, don't we? Yeah, there we go. We got Vault, sys. We got a couple of things here. Sys slash. We got health. Cool. Vault cluster. Cool, we're up and running there. Not sure what seal is. We got a 405. Method not allowed. We got to a post. Missing client token. We did have a secret, didn't we? Vault token. What can we do with a vault token? Missing client token. Is that the same as a vault token? Possibly. What else did I want? What else did I want? Oh, the FF. Where'd the FF go? Here it is. Leader and init. Let me close out the API. I'll group these together. Well, API. There we get the vault stuff. Aside. Seal leader. If I grab user flag, yes. Don't know what that is. And init. Initialize is true. Okay, whole lot of nothing there. Jeez. How to use... Let's look this up. How to use a vault token. X vault token to authenticate and write data. Okay, so let's use this for that endpoint we couldn't hit earlier. Right, missing client token. So if we hit X vault token equals this. Nice, that works. Okay, so we can hit seal. No content. What is the content I want to put here? Let's change this to JSON. No content. I don't know what goes in here. What's up, how's job going? Job's going great. Seal. 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 What does seal mean? Token off methods. P1 auth token accessors. Have I done any engagements yet? Yes, of course. I've done probably over 10. Probably, but how many have I done, dude? I've done more than 10. Maybe pushing 15. Auth token create. Look up a token. Auth token lookup. Any good findings? Of course, of course. Good luck, bro. What does that mean? Good luck, bro. Let me hit this. I don't want to revoke a token. What did I want to do? I don't know. There's something I wanted. Read token role. Let's do that. Let's read token role. Wait, role name. What is the role name? How do we get the role name? G-bus. Alright, let's look up the token. It should just say... Alright, let's do this. Let's look up the token. Token lookup. Is that the same... Is that the endpoint I want? I have no idea. No, it's a 404. Fuck. What's the most common pres vector on my internals after initial access? After initial access? I mean, like... Literally, it's very common to see just, like, protocol poisoning lead to DA. I'd say most like after at like requiring creds, any paths that require creds, I'd say is CVE 2025 33073 Antulum Reflection. See all the time still. That one's almost always leads to DA. ESC 8 and ESC 11 I see super commonly. Applications with default creds often lead to DA, surprisingly, unfortunately. What else? What else? SCCM stuff sometimes. What else? Those are the main ones. I'd say those are the main ones. And Kerberosing. And Kerberosing. Yeah. That's what I'd say. Those are the main ones. We can literally skip from any user to DA pretty quickly. Alright, what the fuck is this? I don't know why this doesn't work. Oh, because I need V1 in front of it, because I'm a goober. There we go. Sweet. Request ID. Path off token root. What does that mean? Are we fucking policies root? Are we root? Am I fully remote? Yes. Real life can be shittier than CTF sometimes. I think every time. I don't know. I think every time. I mean, it's quite... I haven't... There has never been an environment... I mean, it's never going to be harder than, like, a harder insane box on Hackbox. Maybe a medium. If they're decent. I don't know. Am I fully remote? Yeah. Okay, I already read that. Alright, so we have a policy called root. I don't know what that means. ChatGPT this shit. Explain. HashiCorp Vault. Yeah. Data, most important. This encrypts the token itself. Accessor. Creation time, don't care about that. Root. Human-friendly name of the token. So we are root on... Have I seen that specific password? No. But I've seen worse. Alright, so we have full access to everything in the vault. Okay. Explain how to enumerate the vault using my privs. No. Use the API. Goober. Golly, it's still going. It's still going. Get sys mounts. Enabled secrets engines? The fuck? Missing token. Oopsies. Oh! SSH sounds good. Secret. System endpoints used for control. What is cubby hole? There's a lot of shit in here. Read secret values. Mount data path. What the fuck? Metadata? Okay, let's get some metadata. So we want secrets. Metadata. Which mount? Ooh, let's do that here. Which mount do we want? What is the mount? Is this the mount? I don't know. Is this it? No handler for route. Is it literally called secret? No, I'm so confused. What is the fucking... Each top level key ending in slash is a mount point. Okay, so SSH. Unsupported path, though. Enumerate KV secrets. Since this KV1, do this. Okay. Lists? Is that list secrets? What? SSH? What? List one secret. This is not right. This is not right. It's tweaking. Wait, do I need slash? Do I need trailing slash? No, so, can I explain more about protocol? I'm literally gonna make a YouTube video about it. I'm literally gonna make a YouTube video about it. I'm literally making a YouTube video about it. I'm literally making a YouTube video about it. Just wait, just wait. SSH roles. The fuck is it talking? Okay, we got a hit there. OTP. That's what we want. We want that one-time password. Why? I don't know, but I saw it earlier, so I think that's what we want. Read a role definition. Slash OTP. Root OTP. Unsupported path. What the fuck? What the fuck is cubbyhole? Bro, I'm so confused. It's crazy. Oh, I used list, not get. Oh shit. Hold on. I'm not getting anything. Bro, your videos take forever. Yo, trust me, I'm gonna work on this one. Trust me. Trust me. How the fuck do I actually, like, Read the secret, though. Does not store plain text secrets. Oh, am I dumb? Cubbyhole. Whatever. I'm confuzzled, dude. All right, what is this? What is this root one-time password? What do I want with this? What is this? Key type OTP default user root. SSH roles. Right, that's what we got here. Okay. Set up vault secrets backend. The fuck does this mean? What? Explain. Vault can issue SSH credentials? Oh shit. Wait, what? Wait, what? Backend type must be a string. Existing mount at SSH. What? Type OTP? What do you mean existing mount at SSH? I'm so confused. Someone with permission can call that. Okay. Missing IP. Okay, okay, okay. Hold on. We're cooking with this. Missing IP. IP? What would that be? Myself? Or should that be for the server? Okay. So we can do this. This should be able to get us the SSH. How to get the SSH key? How to get the SSH data? How to get the data? I don't know. How to use this? I don't know. Generates the OTP. Client U presents the root. How do I use it though? Because it's not like SSH regularly where I can just provide like a private key. Bro, this stupid shit. Unreusable password, not necessary key. How the fuck? I'm so confused. This is the OTP value. Let's just look this up. How to use Vault OTP SSH. One-time SSH passwords. Password would be enter OTP. Alright, so is this for the... Active bot. Is this on this weird ass port? No, because public key denied. Is the password this? That is my IP address. I would assume that'd be the client connecting to it, but maybe not. I don't get this. Password. Or should this be for localhost? I don't know now. Maybe make this like the target. This. Should be the same. Shouldn't matter. Oh, that did it! Holy shit! Nice. Hey, good box. Good box. Wait, did I not submit user? Oh, I did. There's a check mark. Okay, that was a good box. Coder, good box. W recommendation. That got good reviews, didn't it? For a reason. Yeah, 5.9. It's a good box. It was a good box right there. It's a good box. I did enjoy that one. W recommendation. Also a 4. Just have to do research on how to use HashiCorp Vault. If you don't already know it. Alright, well. Still got time to run some more. Chat, what do we want to do? What do we want to do? Any more goated suggestions? What if I just sort by reviews? Or rating? Rainbow. Alright, it's gotta be... I don't remember if I've done the Vulnlab boxes on the Vulnlab platform. That's what sucks. Sizzle? Wait, this got really good reviews and it's insane windows, so we don't have time to do that today. Shit. 18 hours. GG. Maybe we'll do that another week. At the start. What is Secnotes? Secnotes. Bug it. Why not? Let's do this one. It's old though. 2018. Yikes. We'll see how good it is. Was it made by OCF? It is. Can't be that bad. Can't be that bad. Secnotes. Okay. Cool box, dude. Cool box, dude. I didn't even put that there. I didn't even read that this was here. They just actually wrote bullshit here. That's funny. I wonder if Scanner would have picked up on that. I bet it would have. I don't know. Does it do Python communication? I bet it does. But I mean, we got source code, so it's like we could read it was vulnerable to it. So I'm gonna end stream like an hour early. So like we still got like over an hour left. See how long this one takes us. We might do like some challenges on Hack the Box. If we still got time. Okay. Start off with an notes game. Bang. Web again. Lots of web stuff. Lots of web stuff today. Has every box been web? I think so. An account sign up. Web. Okay, we are going to need to open Burp Suite. Or proxy this through Burp Suite. This is interesting. Let's close all these out. Okay. Clear that, clear that. It's proxying. Pebble. Okay. Viewing secure notes for Pebble. Pebble has no notes. Due to GDPR, all users must delete any notes that contain PII. Please contact Tyler at secnotes.hackthebox using the contact link below with any questions. Wholly obvious cross-site scripting. No, it didn't work. That's surprising. Okay, maybe it's not cross-site scripting. Change password, new note. Note. Oh, why not? Okay, the note is vulnerable to cross-site scripting. Delete that shit. ID 8 with a quotation mark. What the fuck? Let me get a polyglot in here. For SSTI. Polyglot. Polyglot. Looks fine. Yeah, it looks fine. Yeah. Huh. Let me refresh this. Who did you? All users must delete any notes that contain PII. Please contact you using the contact link below with any questions. Really? How is this not vulnerable? I feel like it's the most obvious cross-site scripting thing ever. Make a note with this again as well. Should check for subdomains because it gave us a domain name. Hello, nothing player. All right, Secnotes box. We'll scan for beehives just in case. We had SMB as well. Interesting. Ew, whoa, it's 80. What is this? 8808. $88.08. What is it? I forget. Secnotes box. Wordless discovery. Well, secless discovery. Nice. Okay. Dude, filter by size 0? 62. What the fuck? Go. Alright, some stuff is bugging the fuck out there. I don't know what's up with that. That is really weird. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that. That's wacky. Alright, there's a lot of functionality here, which I don't love. That means we gotta play with it all extensively. Kind of sucks. Doesn't seem like it's vulnerable to cross-site scripting now. Well, it is, but it's like, at least towards Tyler. Wordless. PHP. Contact, login, register, home. DB. Okay, will there be a file read bug? Would allow us to read this? That's odd. Oh, it's IIS as well. I didn't even see that. So does short name enumeration not get everything? Doesn't get everything. We're gonna run some of these through scanner. Oh, what the fuck? What do I have one up there? Kill that. You scan that. Okay, that's contact. What else was there? Submit note. I guess. Oh. There. Fuck. Again, these two. Oh, we know it's vulnerable to cross-site scripting. We've done that. We've been there, done that. Nothing new there. We change password? We didn't even check, like... It's just this is screaming at me. Wait, what does it look like viewing notes? Yo, chat, I'm freaking out. I didn't check out the other web server. I'm a goober. What am I missing? Yo, what's good, Brayden? How you doing? Chat, I'm actually so lost. It's crazy. There's db.php, which is could be file read. If I could hit that. I'm not seeing anything else though. No SSTI. Let me make a new account. Let me make a new account. Maybe make a new account. No account. No account. No account. With SSTI polyglot. Does that work? Maybe it's in the name. Maybe the name is vulnerable to cross-site scripting when I send it. This is hanging. This is a great sign. This is hanging. This is hanging now. This is good. I'm thinking... I can't even sign in. Alright, awesome. Alright, so there's something with the name. It's something with the name. I would not do or equals 1 equals 1. I would do something like that. That doesn't work. Or was it Tyler? No. You like that? It would return the first entry too if I removed this anyways, so it shouldn't really matter. It's definitely gotta be something with the sign up form. Let me use... I think it is cross-site scripting, but I think it's in my username. That's a cool route. I think it's gonna be... image source equals HTTP 10.10.14.44. Send that as a username. Fuck. Reset. It's gotta be 6-character password. Okay. So that was vulnerable, at least. It won't even let me sign in. I mean, I have it running through SQL Map. Unless SQL Map can't catch it. It'd be surprising. How? What did I do? We got it working. But what did I do? No. What did I do? GG, the site went down. The site was down. I can't hit the site. Oh, we're back. I'm a mid-level tester. I do not disclose my salary, but I do make good money. Document.cookie. Let's do something like that. Hold on, what am I working with here? Close. Is that good? I think that's good. Try that. Something went wrong, try again later. How you take notes? I mean, how you arrange those to quickly refer to those things? I don't know what you're talking about. Is the from... How is the remote market in USA? I work remotely. It's fine. I do not waste money. And don't waste money. Just because I make money doesn't mean I waste money. It's not letting me sign up. Something went wrong. It's not letting me sign up with this username. That's so weird. It won't let me sign up with this username? What? Why? What? Hold on, let me just sign up from an actual here. This is way better than that crap. Something went wrong. Is it the Word document.cookie? No. Is it BTOA? Yes. It was BTOA. Oh, my syntax was wrong. That will do it. Still fails. That's me right there. How did I get it to fucking trigger? How did I get that to work? I had it working. I mean, talking notes to refer if I'm stuck on something. Then I do research. If I'm stuck on something, it's because I don't know it, and it's not in my notes. Then I gotta do research. That's nothing to do with notes. Chat, I'm washed. I gotta go soon. Why did I get this to trigger once and now I can't get it to... I can't get it working again? Well, I am trying different stuff, but like still. Something went wrong. Something went wrong. Something went wrong. It's the the parenthesis. Wait, what? Huh? Why does that say something went wrong? But removing the S there, it works. That makes literally no sense. It just any 4 characters here breaks it. This is so weird. Or maybe there's a character limit. Maybe there's a character limit. I bet that's it. I bet it's a character limit. Fuck. Does that give me a hit? I mean, surely, right? What did I didn't change anything. Did I change? How did I get this to work? I'm so confused. Hello, Nellius. It was through the login, right? That this triggered? A server error? It is definitely vulnerable. How did I get that to trigger? An XSS spot. What up, Dante? Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. I'm so confused, dude. I got it to trigger once and I can't replicate it. I'm so confused on how it happened. I don't know where it happened either. Do I need to revert the box? I'm reverting it. I don't know what would have caused that to trigger. It almost seems server side, which is completely like on a login request. Like, why would XSS pop there? That's so weird. I don't know how that happened. I wish I could replicate it. All right, I mean, I guess we'll try this out on a new one. Let me get the one that I think worked earlier. I literally think this worked though. HTTP 10 plan 14 44. I literally think that was the exact thing I did. It was literally this, and this worked. Maybe there was a space. Maybe there was a space. I don't know. $500 doesn't pop. Give it a second. You're still giving a 500. Slash in there. Yo, chat, how did I get this to pop? I'm so confused. Was it on that contact form? That wouldn't make any sense. Oh, wait a minute. See if that comes up. I don't know. We'll send a bunch. Why not? We'll send a ton to this guy. I mean, how I think it was on the login form when I did it. It's not popping, dude. How did that happen? How did I get that to work? Maybe it was on the password. Was it on the password? What does this reset button do? Clears that. Weird. Ah, it had to be on the username. Gotta be on the username. Weird that it is 500s though, randomly. What would make it 500? Log in and register. What are the issues here? Private IP is... Yeah, okay. Yeah, because we're on a VPN, obviously. Alright, let's work with this. Password. Level. Oops. Level. That, I feel like this was the query or the payload I did. Username's already taken. Screw you. And it doesn't let me log in with this too, which is so weird. Why wouldn't it let me log in with this? Like, what? How did I get this to pop? Try without closing? Shouldn't matter. Still doesn't work. Or you mean closing at the start? Is that what you mean? Closing at the start? There was a point where I literally just supplied a URL. I don't know if that would do anything. Why not? We'll literally make it a URL. Alright. I send that. Wow, that's it. He clicks on a URL when I send it to him. Now he's not clicking it again. There it is. Okay, so he literally just clicks on any URL I send him. Wow, that's what it was. I'm a simpleton. Is that... Oh my gosh, so it's fucking... Oh my gosh. It's a Windows box as well, so it's just... like a passback. That took so long for no reason. Other than me being completely ignorant and not realizing that he's just clicking on a link. Alright, so you'll click on this, and then we'll get the hash, right? 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 Come on, bro. Oh, killed it on 8. RIP. wrong IP again. Wow. I'm genius. One of these got to hit, right? Which one is it? Come on. Don't do me like that. Do I have such a backlog now that's going to take forever? Should I have not sent that many? Whoopsies. Yo, Bear with the follow. Thank you, Bear. Let me do this. Let me get this working again. Let me make sure it's not a backlog. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's pretty instant. Okay, so there's something I'm missing. What if I... So he's just clicking on links? Do I have to have him download something? There's no way. Best platform chain for web, it is Portswigger Academy, in my opinion. Let me do like maybe there's some weird PHP thing going on here. Associating with the JavaScript file? Could be. That didn't work. Yeah, we could try some weird JavaScript thing. Fetch HTTP 10.14.44/PSC underscore JS. Do something like that. Have I spidered it? Yes, to look into other functionalities in the app. Yeah. I mean, there's notes thing, right? So there's a notes thing. Is there anything that would work with a GET request that I want? You can send GET requests by clicking on a link. The notes are a post request. I force how to do. We know there is cross-site scripting in the login form. Can I log in as a GET as well? No, I cannot. I can have him delete something. Delete is a GET request, it looks like. Home action delete. Yeah, we're getting there. Give me a second. There's change pass. There is change pass. Is that does that work with a get request though? Change pass up PHP. Let me hit that again. Does that work with the get request? Looks like it does. Looks like it does. Nice. Okay, cool. Interesting. I forgot about that. Here's creds. Sweet. Oh, it's not SSH. Is there SSH open? I completely forgot. Nah. Where does SMB? Why can't I hit SMB? What? There we go. Alright, Valcred's there. It's so slow. Oh my goodness. New site. Cool. I'm assuming ASPX rev shell here now. You can use the one from the previous box. Move. What was the previous box? Chat, what was the previous box? I'm tweaking out. Craft? No. Before that. Chat, which box did we do today that I had the ASPX rev shell in? I might just download it again. There it is. Anti-rev shell. Lock was it. Well, this. Hit this on 80, was it 80, 88, 80? 8808, yeah, that's what it was. And talk to ASPX. That fails. Huh. Is this not that site? Wait, what? What is new web? New site. What is new site then? What is new site? Huh? Where's new site at? I could have sworn it would be the 88 one. Does it need like a specific extension to load? Oh, it does. Okay, so it is there. Maybe it doesn't support ASPX. Let's go like ASP rev shell. You do that with interpreter. Or MSF Venom. ASP. Evil.asp. Cool. Evil.asp. Listen for a connection. Evil.asp. Or actually, it might be PHP. Yeah, it's failing. It might be PHP. This one might also load PHP. Internal server error. Looks like we're good here. Yeah, we're good. PHP. It just got thrown off by IIS, but I forgot the other app was written in PHP as well. Let's get a shell. Use this one. Where am I at here? There. Fuck, I hate when that happens. It's just too big, isn't it? I don't know. Let's just upload an exe ref shell. How do I get the creds? What creds? Oh, for that? We changed this, or these creds? Alright, so it was, he clicks on any link, you can change password without knowing old pass with a GET request. So we sent a link to him to execute that. So he changed his password, logged into his password, he had his own password in the notes. Jeez. Evil.exe. Alright, now can I just run evil.exe? My shell's gone? The fuck? Oh, they literally took my shell away. Lovely. Alright, we don't know the exact path of this. Let's see this instead. Curl. Oh my gosh. Curl HTTP 10, 10, 14, 44 evil.exe, output it to like Windows tasks. Do I need a trailing slash? Just be like evil.exe, just to be safe. Should be outputted there. Now I can just run that. Cool. Drop in a PowerShell. AMI/all. Hello? How did my shell already die? There we go. I've never seen SE undock before, but I don't think that helps. Alright, I'm not seeing anything of use there. What do we got in users? Why there's so many users? Alright, Tyler. What is PHP history? It's empty. 0. That's the thing I placed there. Okay. He has user flag in desktop. Bash.lnk? What the fuck? Secnote contracts we also want to look at. Okay. User. It literally should be an easy box. I don't know why my brain just absolutely farted that entire time. I'll go to 4. We want to go to sec contracts. Where is this? Oh, is this just the thing that... What is this? Yeah, this is the one that checks the messages. Yeah, that's nothing. Oh, we have the MySQL creds. Reset Tyler's password to Forest 85 sunk. Wait, what are the users on here? No one. Why are there so many weird home directories then? That's so strange. Wayne. There's a Wayne user. But he doesn't exist. He's not an actual user. What the fuck? Okay, so MySQL. Do we need to connect to MySQL? We might need to. I hope not. We might need to. Exec SMB here. Dash. The only other user is administrator. I don't know why there's like fake users on here. Well, I don't know why that takes so long as well. That all seems fine. That fails. What we got in here? Ubuntu.zip. Why is Ubuntu on here? What is this box? Why is Ubuntu on here? What? Whatever, dude. That's definitely something. Let's get WinPeas on here. And temp. 15 slash WinPeas. Let's get WinPeas. We're gonna run that. I doubt it'll. It's the Ubuntu thing is so throwing me off. It's got to be something with that because this dude had like a bash LMK file, and then this would show up like WSL is enabled as well. So I want to run it. Come on. He's an active RDP session. Interesting. Wait, did it say it was a domain box? Is this domain joined? Wait, what? This is AD? No, no way. Nah, no, they capped him. They capped him. This is not domain joined. Yeah, it's not. Okay. Let's say. What was that? Ubuntu root FS? Okay, so WSL is on here. Found WSL distros listed below. Run linpeas in WSL distro home folders. Interesting. What? So now we're on Linux world. Crazy shit. What is in it? Whole bunch of garbanzo. Bash history. Fuck yeah. There it is. That was easy as fuck. That's it? That's Davin creds? That's too easy. That sucks. Yeah, it is. Wow. Users, administrator, desktop, root.txt. L. I mean, it's old box. You can't hate it. It isn't bad for like a, how much is that? Almost 6-year-old box. Nah, it's like 5. Wait, how? Math and shit. 7 years old. 7-year-old box. Is it gonna execute the command? It's so slow as well. I wonder if I bet they give less resources to the older ones. This is taking forever. For no reason. Come on, bro. Just give me my black. Thank you. Alright, some good boxes today. Some good ones. I did like, what was it called? Craft. I did like that one a lot. That was very, very, very cool. Fucking piece of cake, dude. You kidding? Alright. Chat, I do have to go early today. We're gonna be back next week. Running it back again, okay? Who is live right now? Someone better be live. I see someone live. What is he doing? Looks like he's doing some hack the box. Bug it. We'll rate him. Alright, chat. Thanks everyone for kicking it with your boy tonight. We're gonna be back next week. Running it back again. Again, I appreciate everyone for the donuts, follows, biddies, subs, whatever, and everyone just here to learn. I'll see you later. Yeah, I'll start putting them in the YouTube title. Alright, peace out, y'all.